Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. I hope you all are well at your home. Class 1. Subject is computer. Topic: Computer a machine. Exercise Part 3. Presented by your computer teacher, Miss Nikita Kane. Let us have a quick recap. Students, before starting today's class, let us have a quick recap of the previous class. In the previous class, we have learned the following topics. Machines. What are machines? Machines are man-made things which have some qualities. Computer, a smart machine. A computer is also a machine. It is an electronic device. It is a smart machine which can help us in many ways. Types of computers. There are four types of computers. Number 1, supercomputer. Number 2, mainframe computer. Number 3, mini computer. And number 4, microcomputer. Now, what are supercomputers? Supercomputers are the most powerful computers in terms of performance and data processing. These computers are used for research purposes. They are expensive and large in size. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are not as powerful as supercomputers. They are quite expensive and are used by many large firms and government organizations. They can be accommodated in large air-conditioned rooms. Mini computer. Mini computers are used by small businesses and firms. These are small machines which can be accommodated on a desk. They have less processing and data storage capabilities in comparison of supercomputers and mainframe computers. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are the fastest developing computers nowadays. They are less cheaper. Examples of microcomputers are desktop computers, laptops and smartphones. Now let us see what we are going to learn in today's class. In today's class, we are going to learn the following topics. We are going to learn revision of the chapter, then exercises to be done in book. At last, we will discuss the exercises to be done in notebook.
So class, in this chapter we have studied that there are two types of things, natural and man-made. All machines are man-made and they make our work easy. Computer is also a machine which runs on electricity. It works very quickly and never gets tired. It helps us to draw and paint. We can also hear songs, play games and watch movies on it. It can store and remember a lot of information and it can solve sums very quickly.
Work to be done in notebook. That means copy. Now let us start discussing the exercises to be done in copy or notebook.
So now, on the basis of the explanation of the chapter, we will try to solve the exercises.
So students, on the basis of the explanation of the chapter, let us discuss the exercise. First, answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are natural things? Name any two. In this question, we have to give the explanation or the meaning of natural things, then examples of natural things. any two examples of natural things. Answer. Things which occur in nature are called natural things. The things which already exist in nature are called natural things. They are created by God, not by human beings. Two examples of natural things are air and water. Question number 2. All man-made things are not machines. Give two examples to prove this statement. Student, we have already learned that all machines are man-made things, but all man-made things are not machines. In order to prove this statement, we have to give two examples. So, the answer is table and chair. Table and chair are two examples of man-made things, but they are not machines. Question number 3. Write any two uses of computers. Here we have to give two uses of computers. Answer. Number 1. It makes our work easier. Computer makes our work easy. 2. It can solve sums very quickly. If we solve sums in a computer, it gives us result very quickly. Question number 4. Write the names of any two basic types of computers. Students, we had already learned that there are four basic types of computers. So from these two types of computers, we have to give two names of the computers. One is mini computer and second is supercomputer. Second, put tick right against man-made machines. Students, in this question, we have to tick right man-made machines and cross the things which are not man-made. That means which are not machines. Number 1 is computer. Computer is a man-made machine, so we will tick right it. 2. River. River is a natural thing. It is not man-made machine, so we will cross it. 3. Car. Car is a man-made machine, so we will tick right it. 4. Flowers. Flowers are natural things. They are not man-made machines. We will cross it. 5. Toaster. Toaster is a man-made machine, so we will tick right it. 6. Moon and stars. Moon and stars are natural things. They are not made by man. They are not man-made machines, so we will cross it. 7. Refrigerators. Refrigerator is a man-made machine, so we will tick right it. 8. Vase. Flower vase. Flower vase is a man-made thing, but it is not a man-made machine, so we will cross it. Now let us discuss the work to be done in book. That means the exercises which we have to complete in our book. Let us discuss them. Students, this question is given on page number 11. This question is given on page number 11 of your computer book. Question 1 is answer the questions below that we have already discussed in the work to be done in copy. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is to be done in work copy. So we are starting from question number 2. Question number 2 is put tick right against the man-made machines. We have to tick right against the things which are man-made machines and cross the natural ones. So number 1 is an image of a computer. Computer is a man-made machine, so we will tick right it. Number 2. Number 2 is an image of a river, flowing water, mountains. So this is a natural thing. Water, rocks, plants, these all things are natural things. So we will cross it because they are not man-made machines. Number 3. Number 3 is a car, and car is a man-made machine, so we will tick right it. Number 4. Flowers. Flowers are natural things. They are created by God. We will cross it. Number 5. Toaster. Toaster is a man-made machine, so we will tick right it. Number 6. Moon and stars. Moon and stars are natural things. They are created by God, so we will cross it. Number 6. Refrigerator. Refrigerator is a man-made machine, so we will tick right it. Number 8. Flower vase. Flower vase is a man-made thing, but it is not a man-made machine, so we will cross it. Question number 3. Question 3 is also given on page number 11. Question 3 is to match the following. Student, some names of the man-made machines are given. We have to match these names with the given pictures. We have to match the names of the machines with their concerned pictures. So let us start. Number 1 is washing machine. Now you will match the washing machine spelling of washing machine with its picture. This is washing machine. You will match it by drawing a line. Number 2 is helicopter. We will match it with its image. Helicopter. It is given on the right hand side. Number 3 is camera. We will match camera with its image. Camera is given on left hand side. Mobile phone. Mobile phone, we will match it with its image. It is given on left hand side. Motorcycle. Motorcycle, we will match it with its image. Question number 4. Question 4 is given on page number 12. Question is to put T for true and F for false. If the statement is true, we have to write T, and if the statement is false, we have to write F. Now, when to write true and when to write false? Students, if a given statement is correct, then we write true. And if the statement is wrong, then we write it as false. Number 1. Computer is a natural thing. Students, we know that computer is a man-made thing. That means this statement is wrong, so it is false. We will write F. Number 2. Computer can solve sums very quickly. Computer is a smart machine and it can solve sums very quickly. So this statement is correct. We will write true. T. Number 3. Computer cannot work accurately. This statement is wrong. So we will write F. F for false. Why this statement is false? Because this statement is incorrect. It is wrong. Computer works accurately. Number 4. Computer works very slowly. This statement is also wrong. This statement is incorrect, so we will write F. Why we will write F? Why it is false? Because computer works very quickly. Number 5. Computer can remember a lot of things. This statement is correct because a computer can remember a lot of things and store a lot of data. So we will write T. Activity time. This is given on page number 12. Question number 1. Color the machines given in the picture. Also write their names in the space provided. Students, you have to color all the given machines very beautifully. Then you have to write the names in the space provided. Number 1. Please see the image. Number 1. It is a train. So you will write train. T-R-A-I-N, train. Number 2. See the picture of number 2. It is washing machine. You will write W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine, washing machine. Number 3. Please see the image of number 3. Number 3 is a rocket. You will write R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. Number 4. Please see image of number 4. It is a television. Spelling of television is T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. Number 5. Please see number 5 image. It is a helicopter. Spelling of helicopter is H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Number 6. Please see number 6 image. It is a bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. 7. It is a clock. Spelling of question number 2 given on page number 13. This is your homework. Question is complete the given picture by joining all the dots. Also name and color the object. Students, you have to join all the dots and color the picture very beautifully. Also, you have to write its name. You will draw and color. Then one question is given below. Question is, what have you drawn? You will write.
So class, now here is your homework. Revise the chapter again and complete the exercises neatly and clearly in your notebook.
My dear students, thank you so much for listening to me very patiently. I hope to meet you soon in our next computer class. Till then, be safe and complete your homework.